Welcome all. My name is Yatisha Bhuir, lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will start the chapter 1 of CPH. Full form of CPH is Computer Peripheral and Hardware Maintenance. Subject code is 22013. The name of the first chapter is Features of Computer Hardware. In this chapter we will see what are the different features of computer hardware. Now there are different type of computers. Types of computers are: first is desktop computer, second is tablet, third is laptop, fourth is mainframe, and fifth is supercomputers. So the first is desktop computer. We will see about the desktop computer. So this is desktop computer. You can see in the image, desktop computer looks like this. A desktop computer is a computer that fits on or under a desk. As we know, desktop computer you can fit on a desk. They utilized peripheral devices for interaction. Means for interaction with the computer, we uses peripheral devices. So what are the different types of peripheral devices are? Peripheral devices includes input devices and output devices, right? So different input devices are keyboard, mouse, and output devices are monitor, printer, projector, television. These are all output devices. So desktop computer uses peripheral devices for the interaction. If you want to interact with the computer, then we need to use the keyboard, mouse as an input, and display devices like monitor, projector, and television for the output. So we use input and output. Together it is called as peripheral devices for the interaction. Unlike a laptop which is portable. So laptop is a portable, means you can take laptop anywhere you go, right? But you can't take desktop computer everywhere. So for that, laptop is we can call as laptop is a portable. Portable means we can take laptop anywhere we go. But desktop computer we can't take it everywhere, right? Because of heavy weight. So laptop is portable. So unlike a laptop which is portable, desktop computer are generally made to stay at one location, because we can't take desktop computer everywhere because of heavy weight and parts. That's why it is made to stay at only one location. Next type of computer is tablet. So what is tablet? A tablet computer, commonly shortened as tablet. We know what is tablet, right? We have seen tablet many times. So is a mobile device. Tablet computer is commonly look like a mobile device. So typically with the mobile operating system. So in the tablet it has mobile operating system. So what are the different types of mobile operating systems, like Android operating system, iOS operating system? So tablet computers commonly look like a mobile, and it has mobile operating system. Touch screen, display processing circuitry. It has touch screen, right? Like our mobile is also touch screen mobiles now in Android devices or in iOS devices. So Android and iOS are the operating systems of mobile, and generally they are touch screen. So like mobile, tablets are also touch screens. It has display process circuitry, rechargeable battery in a single thin and flat package. It has also rechargeable battery, means like mobile have batteries. So like that, tablets also have single thin and flat package of rechargeable battery, means you can recharge a tablet by using batteries or by using chargers also. Nowadays chargers are also available. Now the next is laptop. So what are the laptops? Laptops combine all the input and output components and capabilities of desktop computer, including the display screen, small speakers, a keyboard, data storage device, sometimes an optical disk drive, pointing devices such as touchpad or trackpad, with an operating system, a processor, and memory into a single unit. So we all saw laptop, right? So laptop combines all the input output components like a desktop computer. Means desktop computer has all the parts differently, right? But laptop combines all the parts together. Like desktop computer, laptop also has keyboard, mouse, storage devices also like RAM and ROM, then pen drives. So optical disk drives are also there. Laptop also has speakers also. So laptop is generally like desktop computer, but desktop computer have all the parts differently. Laptop combine all the parts together. So laptop also has touchpad. We can call it as mouse, right? Laptop also has touchpad. In the touchpad, it work like a mouse. So laptop's mouse we can call it as touchpad or trackpad or pointing devices. With an operating system, it has operating system like Windows 7, 10, 8. A processor, it also has a processor and memory into a single unit. Means all these components in the motherboard is a single unit in the laptop, right? It doesn't have different CPU. It has all the components in the single unit. For that, it doesn't have any different parts like desktop computer. For that, it is portable. You can take laptop everywhere you can go. Okay, it is a portable means you can take laptop everywhere, and it is not heavy like desktop computers. It doesn't have different parts. It combines all the parts together. And next is the mainframe computer. Now the mainframes are also called as big iron. Okay, are powerful computer used for large information processing jobs. Generally, we don't use mainframe computers in the home or in the offices. It mainframe computer uses large companies. Okay, so they are information processing jobs. It has different information processing jobs, and they are used for the big task. They are mainly used by the government institutions and large companies for tasks such as census, industry and consumer statistics, enterprise resource planning, and financial transaction processing. So mainframe computer stores large amount of data. For that, it is called as a big iron, and they are used by government companies and big companies. We generally don't use mainframe computer at home or offices. Okay, so they are used for the big tasks, for big information. Now the next is the supercomputer. You can see in the image what does the supercomputer look like. A supercomputer is generally like a mainframe computers, but in a supercomputer it performs highest operational rate for the computers. It has currently highest operational. It is a supercomputer means it is used in the scientific and engineering applications that must handle very large databases or do a great amount of computation. Means what? If you have large amount of data, large amount of database means what? Large amount of information. If you have large amount of information processing, if you want to store large amount of data or computation like maths calculation and all, so they are used in the scientific and engineering application in the scientific labs. We generally don't use mainframe and supercomputers in home or offices. They are used in big applications. So we'll see the hardware component of desktop and laptop in the next video deeply. Okay, thank you.